Okay, so good to have everybody on the call. Yeah, so the numbers are increasing, Wura, so I think we should allow people to join. And guys, share your experience. Feel free to use the chat room, share your experience. Which session did you enjoy the most? What was the session like? Can you just share your experience, guys? You're looking at the chat room. We want to get your feedback. Amazing.
Okay. Olawale says amazing. What was the amazing part of it, Olawale? Give us details. We want details.
Okay,
Details.
I can see like
Okay. Somebody says deep learning. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Someone said doctorate for president.
Dr. Daibo for prime minister.
Professor
We have more mechanism design people.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, also. Wow, Dr.
Okay.
Daibo session also.
Okay, someone said, oh, I hope this has been trended on social media. Share with your team on Twitter. Oluwatobi has shared our social media hashtags. Someone said grade 3. Okay, you can share online your favorite part of the boot camp. Use the boot camp hashtag. Let this trend. A lovely experience. We are proud to have given a lovely experience online. It's what we work hard to do. Michael, are you online?
Yeah, I'm here, Wura. I think I should share my.
Hey, so we're reading all the news. Hi, Michael. Okay, Michael, your people, they are here. The funding people, the business people, they're talking about it. Okay.
Okay.
Poster session. Cool. All right. Right now we have
ladies. I'm Mrs. Uzo. So I'm
yeah,
sure we're
ladies in AI. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we have less people are afraid of deep learning. Okay, Power BI. Yes, we should talk about the first day too. We had a day, then we went off, and now we're back online. We are glad that you had a great time. We are glad that you have those experiences. Lekon, when are you going to put on your video?
Oh, okay. So I'm somewhere in Nigeria right now where it's a bit dark here, So yeah, but I'm sure everybody saw my face earlier in the day. So please.
Okay, we have enough people online. With 3. Everywhere in Nigeria. Well, I understand. Power BI and BML. Okay.
Also. Yeah, ladies in AI, deep learning, Power BI, fantastic. So okay. Okay, guys. So enough of Lake. All right. I also enjoy the paper OU you guys gave us. Interesting. Interesting.
Which paper did you guys give you? Okay. Application of AI in business. Great.
Oh, you miss my awesome. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Well, you guys you've been an awesome attendee, I must say. You've been an awesome audience. It's been really lovely having this virtual bootcamp with you. Of course, this is the first of its kind. I mean, in terms of being virtual, the bootcamp has always been fully on premise, but this time around we've gone virtual, and working hand in hand with you guys, I believe it's been a massive success. So you guys are the real MVP. Awesome. Okay, yeah. So Fumini is also on the call. Fumini, you want to say hi?
Fumini for president.
Please, oh. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Thank you for following so far. It's been an amazing week with you all. Thank you guys so very much. It's been glad chatting, getting to, share. And I'm sure that we are all going to, move on from here and just do amazing things. Well done, everyone.
Exactly. Exactly. Well, it looks like everyone enjoyed all the session. I mean, I've not seen any session that has not been mentioned, from the academic research to the posters, all the sessions, all the sessions. Fantastic. Okay, keep them coming in. We want to see which session, if you're just joining us, tell us which session you enjoyed the most and tell us what you enjoyed about the session. The award night is going to be interesting. A lot of awards are already lined up to be won, like you all know. And I believe that everyone will be receiving award today. Of course, everyone is a winner. So everyone will be receiving award today. You would go forth, right, and do great stuff with the award that you'll be receiving. Oh, yeah. Somebody said they enjoyed Dr. Bio's keynote. Of course. Of course. Google TensorFlow. Wow. Awesome. Interesting. So please feel free to share your experience on social media. Remember, at the very beginning of this bootcamp, Dr. Bio did mention that for those who love to write, so write something about your bootcamp, AI Bootcamp 2020 experience. All right, write on Medium, write on LinkedIn, tag Data Science Nigeria. We'll be happy to share for you so you can gain traction with your article. Yeah, Google TensorFlow. Wow, it's amazing. Ura, it's amazing. The people really enjoy the Google TensorFlow amidst all the challenges. I mean, it's really, really amazing. It's really, really
Hello,
amazing.
Lekon.
Yeah.
It's amazing, and I think the general theme here is that every class that we had in this boot camp, they are fans. Like every class, it's a hit back to back. Everyone have the classes that they prefer. That's the design. That's why we've chosen topics from a different range of perspective. So we are glad that all the session, it went well.
Mm.
Thank you for the feedback.
Great, great, great. And guys, please feel free to reach out to all the facilitators on LinkedIn, Twitter, on social media generally, because I tell you, one interesting thing is that most of the speakers actually dialed in very, very early. I must mention that Dr. Adrish, it dialed in about 4:30 a.m. his own time, 4:30 a.m., just to speak with everyone in the data science Nigeria AI community. I think that's really amazing. So feel free to reach out to him. Just thank him, because I mean that's really amazing. Professor Thomas himself, yesterday, as early as 5 a.m., he was already in front of his laptop just to address everyone. I mean, just imagine that. Even today, as at 3:30, just calculated 9 hours. So you would see that, I mean, these people are really, really, they really, really love the community and they really want to give back. So it's really interesting. So I believe that we appreciate them. We really, really celebrate them. So, so keep the chat coming in. What did you enjoy? If you're just joining us, let's discuss. Remember, also we mentioned that today you have the opportunity to also link up with people. So you would have the opportunity to drop your LinkedIn, opportunities for people to be able to reach you and network, because your network is your net worth. So Professor Thomas was on fire. Nice, nice. Google TensorFlow, great, great.
Yeah, Dr. Uye's speech. Yes, it did that.
Yeah, awesome.
Awesome.
Great.
And no one even mentioned the quiz, Lekon. The quiz was fun now.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true, guys. I mean, 30 people already won the data camp subscription. I mean, that's really amazing. That's really amazing. I saw something earlier on statistics for machine learning. Wow. Wow, that was a good
Mm-hmm.
session. Very good session. Someone said quiz was not fun. Jeremiah, why?
Why? Why?
Quiz was great. Okay, Femi said the quiz was great. Okay, I won't read this out. Okay, we catch cruise during the quiz. Okay, Power BI was great. Wow, wow, thumbs up. I mean, shout out to Chimoge. Chimoge, she's a data scientist at Data Science Nigeria. So, Chimoge, shout out to you if you're on the call. AI
Deep
funding,
learning.
deep learning. Wow, people really enjoyed Chris Sankara's session. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, that's why it's called the fastest finger, you know. Knowledge graph.
Exactly. People were
Yeah, knowledge graph session also. Deep learning.
mechanism design, deep learning. Well, the reason we have those classes is for everyone to do interesting things with all the new knowledge that they gained. So we're looking forward to this in the community, your articles about what your experience is like, the new things that you learned and you have decided to explore. Like, it's important that they explore this so that it doesn't just stay there.
Yes, exactly, exactly. I think that's the most important thing because it's not just about the now. It's not about what you've learned in the last couple of days, but what you would do with what you've learned. All right. So which means that you leave this. Oh yeah, Microsoft Analytics session fire. That's very good. It means that what you would do with what you've learned is what really matters. All right. What you would do with what you've learned. So this is more of because it's a boot camp, all right? It's a boot camp. So it's more of you getting, see the heart of the possible, what is possible. So we've talked about deep learning, we've talked about reinforcement learning, talked about data analytics, a lot of concepts, all right? Now you know what is possible. So it's expected that you go forth and do great stuff with your knowledge of what is possible. So don't let the learning stop. The community is very, very active. Make sure if you're not in any community yet, tag along with the community in your city or on your campus and make sure that you keep learning. Because as you keep learning and you keep doing, you become perfect at it. All right. So it's very, very important, guys. Very important.
Okay, so Leko, I have a query in the chat window for the ladies. I'm supposed to share the WhatsApp group link for ladies. That will be shared by email. I don't want other people to join. So ladies, I owe you that. I'll get that across to you. Fumini will send an email on our behalf with the link to join the WhatsApp group
Okay.
so that
Somebody
ladies can do more collaboration and do interesting things.
great.
Leko.
Somebody just dropped a quote from Professor Thomas. It says, if you love ideas more than money, then you should be a professor. So how many people would like to be a professor? You like to be a professor, just drop a fire emoji on the chat room. Let's see how many people want to be a professor. If you like idea, oh wow, Steven, oh wow, really, wow, we love a lot. Wow, we have a lot of, okay, Bolu says money, okay. Professor,
Money. We have
I
money people.
already said I love money. Oh, look at this. This is very funny, right? Oluwafemi dropped water emoji to quench the fire. Interesting. Interesting. Money.
Okay, now we have people saying American professor. Is it a crime to be a Nigerian professor? Money.
Wow, really good. Really good. Really good. Great, great, great. Anomaly detection was, it's too sweet. Wow. Wow. So now that you already know what anomaly detection can do, so I would encourage you, Abidin, and a couple of other people, explore more opportunities around it. It's a very big field that you would find footing in virtually any industry, be it in the finance, in telecoms, in consulting, any industry. So you really want to explore more and become even better at it. Professor is professor anywhere. Okay, yeah, that's true, right? Professor is professor anywhere. You would start asking who sent you message. Okay, professor is not professor anymore. Okay, yeah, that's
Okay, so there's a mechanism design challenge to be submitted by 23rd of November.
yeah.
I know that during the deep learning class, there was an assignment too. about implementing some of those algorithms from scratch with Python. Try these things. Try them. Someone said he or she has forgotten self. Please don't forget. Try this. It's interesting. We need all the materials. Yes, we have said it from day one, and we will say it again. You will have access as long as you're registered for this boot camp. We will share access to the learning content of the bootcamp with you.
Exactly, exactly. And talking about sharing, right? Like we've mentioned, all the session documents, presentations, and code base will be shared. We already started sharing all of them, anyways, for those who are on all the sessions. So we'll collect all of them, including the recordings, and make them available. All right, so that you can still go ahead and explore more, learn more, and do more with the knowledge. So all those things will be shared. Again, thanks Sumi for the 70-day frequent update. Yeah, that was the start of a lot of people in data science. Fantastic. Fumini, shout out to you, Fumini. That's very awesome. Fumini and his team, awesome. Including the quiz session too. Yeah, awesome, great. The link for submission of Grid 3 project. Grid 3 project, okay, I think that would be sent via email.
And apart from the email, they should follow Grid 3 on Twitter. They should follow Data Science Nigeria on Twitter.
Yeah, someone is asking when will the award start? We've started. I mean, everybody must, everybody is a winner, right? So it's less of, the award as it were, right? It's about we discussing, it's about you knowing that, yes, you're a winner. Just imagine how many thousands of people tried to attend this boot camp, and here you are. So you're actually a winner, all right? It's less of the award. Everyone is a winner. Okay.
Okay. If
Yes.
this was in person, Lekon, this is the point where people start talking about missing the bootcamp food. So you can still talk about it in the chat window, the virtual food that we served.
Right, right. Okay, great, 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 great. I'm going to read something out. Okay, so someone already mentioned that the data camp subscription, it was under the promotion and not on my inbox. Fantastic. So guys, if you are still looking for that data camp subscription, check your promotion box. It's likely to be there. All right, great. So it's about time to delve into deeper waters, all right, and begin to see and know who are those that have won the award and what are the awards all about, and of course get key takeaways from the AI Bootcamp. With a singular honor, I would like to invite Dr. Bayo to the mic, and welcome, Doctor.
Awesome, awesome. It's great to join you guys this morning. I hope you can see my screen. So proud of you guys. I'm so excited about the journey. It's awesome to see how you guys have evolved. I'm sure every one of you may not know what has been added to you, but I'm excited that in a few years to come, we're going to have standing champions. And that's why before we go to the awards, I'm going to just share with you what I would call my closing thoughts. Some thoughts that you can take away to just inspire and challenge you to always seek to be the best version of yourself. Okay. Okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Good. So I've called it closing big. It's a very short one before we go to the awards. Essentially, as you go, leave the vision. Data Science Nigeria is not just one of those communities, just gather for the sake of gathering. We have a big vision, and that is to make a difference in our community to make Nigeria a better place. Is a very big vision that we have. We're very clear about our role in society. We have a mandate to build the nation, and I want to challenge each and every one of us to make this count. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, but not in presentation mode.
Okay, so let me just stop and represent.
Yes, it's in presentation mode now.
Okay, good. So guys, I want to encourage you to live the vision, and that is everywhere you find yourself, go make a difference. Support somebody to grow. Create solutions that solve problems. Drive for a new Nigeria. Don't be those complainers who always have a reason to complain that something is bad. Find a reason to grow and become the answer to the problems of people. Be driven by desire to share your knowledge. Be driven by commitment to give back to the society. Look out for children who are disadvantaged. Help them. You might be surprised how the world gets better when we allow the cycle of benevolence to continue. These are passionate data science Nigeria that in the next few years we'll have in this country 1 million globally recognized AI talents, of whom you will be one of them. So we only make this possible when we are driven to go the extra mile. But the journey towards it is a slow process. I hope you can still see my screen. It's a slow process, but Qting won't speed it up. It is a very, very slow process. And you need to understand that. It's not going to be magical. You will need to be consistent. You have to keep pushing. You have to keep moving. You have to keep advancing. It is a very long journey. And I'm encouraging you, don't give up on yourself. Just keep pushing hard. Keep believing in yourself. Keep moving, because it's a slow process. The only thing that will help you to get to your destination is never to stop. And that's the principle of fearless motivation. Okay. If I tell you about myself, a lot of people talk, Dr. Bayo, and all that. It all started with a journey. Today, I've been privileged to win the highest award where I work, called MTN Yellow Star. Why? Because I demonstrated how data can lead to multi-billion naira revenue growth. We must be driven that whenever you find yourself, you must make impact. But it starts from somewhere. This did not start on the first day. It was a journey. I'm going somewhere. Of course, last year, by the grace of God, I won the highest AI award in Africa for impact. Now there's a journey. And then this year, recognized top 100 data analytics innovators in the world. But did it just all happen like that? No, there was a journey to it, and that's where I'm going. And what is the journey? This was about 18 years ago. As a young person talking about data, and I said, what are you talking about? It didn't make sense. But I kept at it. I kept pushing hard. I kept investing money in data statistic training, learning from the best places in the world, translating my salary, my bonuses into training. And people are like, does it make sense? Everything starts somewhere. So don't give up on yourself. And of course, I became one of the first set of SaaS certified experts as early as 2011, the first set of people that were recognized by SaaS, which is the number one statistical solution in the world at that time. Of course, you guys may not know SaaS again, but SaaS Institute used to be number one in the year 2011 and co. But all this started somewhere, and that's where I'm going today, guys. Don't give up on yourself. The best project you will ever work on is you. If there's anything that must happen to you after this boot camp, is a commitment to continue to shape yourself until you get that six-pack of data scientists that you're looking for. You must keep at it. It is a long journey. This is a path that I've gone through. People might see people on the big stage, data science Nigeria. Everyone wants to associate with what we have done. Everybody love our work, but it was a long journey. It was something that was built consistently. It was something that took years of energy, of sowing, of growing, of believing, even when others do not believe in yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last big one I'm going to drop for you. Don't stop until you are proud. Until you are proud of yourself, proud of your family, proud of Data Science Nigeria, proud of Nigeria, proud of the data science community, because you will make something great out of this learning. I see people who come out of this session, fired up to make a difference in the world. So I challenge you to go and don't stop. Don't be a bootcamp expert. After the bootcamp, find reasons to study hard. Find reasons to continue to code and code. When others don't understand, keep burning the midnight oil. The world is waiting for you. So, few things I'm going to talk about. By November 26th, Data Science Nigeria is going to be 4. So we're going to be, asking people to talk about, the impact of Data Science Nigeria. So this is November 26th. So it's not yet now. I'm just telling you in advance so that when you get to know about this, you can do your recording and you can help us on that day, November 26th. November 26th, Thursday, we're going to be 4 years old. So we really want to amplify our work. We want people like you to talk about, what DSN has done in your journey. So please note the date, November 26th. November 26th, that is just in 12 days' time. We're going to be celebrating online. You want to take over Twitter. You want to take over YouTube with videos celebrating. So you may be asked to share 1-minute video of what DSN has done in your journey. Please gladly share it with us. Secondly, there's going to be a special medium narrative where we talk about your journey at DSN Bootcamp 2020, the virtual edition. So they will engage you with an email where you're going to drop your article so that we can review it. And then we're going to use this article to open DSN Medium account as part of our DSN at 4 event, where all the stories of people are curated as part of our DSN at 4. Of course, you have videos and all that. I will also include that. So don't miss this opportunity to share your inspirational story. And of course, I'm going to close by celebrating again the awesome guys, ladies, and gentlemen at Data Science Nigeria, unique being, I call them, with AI plus genotype. People who don't give up, people who go the extra mile, people who will never stop until Nigeria becomes datafied, until every child everywhere, from Kano to Kafanchan, from Akwa Ibom to Osogbo, from Abeokuta to Zaria, from Maiduguri to Yola, that every child can have opportunity to shape the future of the 4th industrial revolution by learning the skills that put them to stand shoulder to shoulder to any child anywhere in the world, knowing that indeed opportunities, talents are everywhere, but opportunities are not. These are the people behind that success. I celebrate their commitment, their passion to go the extra mile. Running virtual bootcamp takes a lot, but these guys have done it before and they have done it again, and I'm so proud of them, and I celebrate the commitment and the passion they have shown. Learn more about us, follow us, get to know about what we do. Check our annual report, download our annual report, check us on YouTube, call us on phone, check our Instagram, tweet our work, let the world know that something great is building out of Nigeria. We are rewriting history and we are part of those storytellers. So guys, the world is waiting for us. We are not giving up on ourselves. We're going to make a difference and make the world a better place. So I'm going to go straight to the finishing side, which is the award. So they're going to project the awards, and I'm going to be calling the details of the awards to us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It is now time to speak about some specific awards that were won at this bootcamp, and I'm speaking on behalf of the board of Data Science Nigeria, with the full authority of our chairman, Dr. Uyi Stewart, one of the most distinguished engineers in the United States of America, and other members of the board, the management of Data Science Nigeria, and of course, all the various organizing teams that put this together. We believe that what we're presenting today is fair. We believe it represents equitable measures in terms of the process. We believe that there has been attention to details to ensure that everyone has been treated equally, and there has not been any bias by race, by religion, by culture, by ethnicity. That this has been fairly done, and is on that basis that I'm going to be presenting the awards. So award number 1 is the Best Poster Award. Goes to the team that work on Plantnosis, an AI plant diagnostic tool. Congratulations. On behalf of the board and management of Data Science Nigeria and our sponsors, Latina AI Blue Chip, this team of people have won for themselves a token of 100,000 naira to buy more data and do more research. Congratulations. A token of 100,000 naira. Congratulations. Next award is the car crash predictive model using drivers' behavioral pattern, using RNN approach. This team came second. So on behalf of the management of Data Science Nigeria and our sponsor, Latina AI and Blue Chip Technology, this team has won a token to buy more data, to do more research, a token of 75,000 naira. Congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations. And then the next one, the third Best Poster Award. I'm told that there are 2 sets of people: diagnosis of glaucoma using grade level concurrence matrix image processing and ANN. And then that is first team. And the second team, let's go to the next one, AI in agri, building an AI, an IoT soil crop monitoring device for farmers, Mr. Adeshola Samuel. So for the award, the group of people, the individual that has won the award has won for the team or for the individual 50,000 naira each to buy more data and do more research on your work. So congratulations, congratulations. The next award is Mr. Algorithm 2020, an award that is based on voting, which is meant to support commitment to community building. As you know, at Data Science Nigeria, we pride ourselves for building communities. And this has been won by Paul Okewumi. Paul Okewumi has won for himself opportunity to enjoy a grant to travel to any part of Africa for a training. So we might be paying for the ticket up to 200,000 naira. Up to 200,000 naira to go for a training. So there must be a training or a conference, and Data Science Nigeria will pay up to 200,000 naira, particularly for the tickets. And if you are lucky, the money is cheaper, the remaining can be used for any other thing. And this is accessible in the next 1 year. So between now and November 2021, this fund is available and is always kept in a special account at Data Science Nigeria. Our next person is Ms. Algorithm Award, and that is a lady who lives her value, who demonstrates commitment to building others, who is not self-centered, but who is community-oriented. And the winner is Precious Kolawole. Ms. Algorithm 2020 has also won for herself the same opportunity to attend a training anywhere in Africa, a conference supported up to the tune of 200,000 naira by Data Science Nigeria and our sponsors. Congratulations. So the next set of award is based on participation. We recognize participation, how many city has a lot of people. And that is Blue Chips Technologies AI City of the Year Award. The AI community in the city with the highest number of people who actively participated and qualified for AI Bootcamp 2020. I'm glad to present this to AI Plus Abeokuta, Ogun State. The city under the rock has won this year's Blue Chip Technology AI City of the Year. And for this, the community has won for itself a sum of 250,000 naira to be used for community building, events, buying data to support community growth. Is going to be an award that will not be personalized. It's an award that will be used to buy things that will support the community, either to do events, buy data, and is accessible in the next 3 months. So all the events that you may want to do, all the meets up, and all the various activity can be supported with this fund up to 250,000 naira. Congratulations, AI Plus Abeokuta. The last but not the least is the Retina AI University of the Year Award. This is the award that we do every year to celebrate the University or the Polytechnic or even College of Education with the highest number of students who qualify for the boot camp. It demonstrates the essence of data science Nigeria. We do not want a one-man champion. We want people who help others to grow. We want community of people that are growing together. That is the spirit of data science Nigeria. That if you lift one up, it becomes an isolated champion. But if you lift many up, the cycle of benevolence continues. And that is why we're looking for a campus that has more people making it to bootcamp. So I'm glad to celebrate AI Plus Club of Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU University Ile-Ife, has won this year's edition of the Retina AI University of the Year Award. Last year it was University of Lagos, and AI and Obafemi Awolowo University has won it for this year. For this award, they have won for themselves books worth 1 million naira. Books worth 1 million naira to be bought and will be delivered to the university AI Plus Club for use for development. The community can decide to put it in the school library, or they decide to create AI Plus Club library so that the book can be available. And you can be sure the books are the cutting edge books. So we're going to be working with you to select some of the best books, as far as AI is concerned, as at today. What are the most recent books? And you're going to give us the list, and we're going to order them from Amazon. And as soon as they are delivered, we'll make a trip to OAU like we did to Unilag and deliver it in person to you. Of course, calling your various professors to also be part to celebrate your success as a community. Guys, like I've said, oftentimes it's beyond awards, it's about rewards. Awards are for a season, rewards are for a lifetime. We celebrate those who have won award today, but what is bigger is the reward. Reward is what you get for yourself. Reward of a great future, reward of a great career, reward of making Nigeria a better place, reward of creating a world-class AI startup, reward of becoming a leading AI CEO, C-level executive, chief data scientist, leading chief innovation officers of top companies. That for me is the biggest reward. And reward comes with time. It takes you to continue to labor consistently, going the extra mile, learning, relearning, unlearning, upscaling, scaling up, not losing sight of the vision, because you won't stop until you make yourself proud and you make us proud at Data Science Nigeria. So toast to many rewards that I look forward to seeing in the next few years. Thanks for being part of your 2020 Data Science Nigeria Artificial Intelligence Bootcamp, the most recognized AI bootcamp in Africa, based on the level of intensity and details, and of course, the process of qualification and the quality of experts that teach. Be proud of the certificate that you have taken out of this place, and make sure that it is not just a certificate, but it's something that you have translated into practical skill. I wish you all the best. Go make a difference and go make the world a better place. Thank you for joining us, guys.
Wow, that was an awesome session. Thank you so much, Dr. Mayo. We are so excited to have you on the call and to hear you inspire us. So, guys, congratulations to everyone. This is indeed, it has indeed been a fantastic session, a fantastic boot camp at it, and I believe that all the things that we've learned, we will all go forward and do more. So we've come to the end of the 2020 AI Bootcamp. In the next 1 minute, we'll be ending this webinar. So let the conversation continue on Telegram. Remember that we have a Telegram group, and I believe everybody is already there. Let conversation continue there. Let networking continue there. And then, of course, we believe that great things will come out from this bootcamp. Thank you very much for being awesome. Final words
Okay.
for panelists, Wura, Michael. Final words, so just close the event.
This has come to an end. We know you had a great time. The team worked out at this. So, bye-bye.
Yeah, all right, great. And finally, guys, remember the certification criteria, all right? So we have already designed that. We already, remember we said 80% of attendance, all right? So we have a list of all the people, that have qualified for the certification. It's not everybody. As a matter of fact, it's about less than 300 people, all right, who have qualified for the certificate. So you would all get your certificate starting from tonight, all right, so that, of course, you can add that to your portfolio. And of course, we believe that that would also open more doors for you. So thank you very much, everyone. Do enjoy the rest of your evening.
If you don't mind, I think we have some of our senior leaders on the call. I think they should just say hi to everyone. I think there's Michael, there's Rula. Can we just say hi to them? They need to see all the awesome guys behind Data Science Nigeria. Guys, put on your camera. Let's know the awesome guys behind what we do.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. It's great to be
We've
part
been
of
here
this
together.
Great. These are the people who make it happen, eh?
Yeah.
Don't we just come on the last day to come and talk. These are the guys who do the job. Please celebrate these awesome guys. They're the people that make it happen. So proud of you guys. So proud of you. Well done for the awesome work that you do. So proud of you. This is awesome. So everyone, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's wave to them as we close. Yeah, 2020 AI Bootcamp. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.